Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance on your PC. First, navigate to the official Binance website and download the desktop application. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the simple on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. After installation, open the application and log in using your existing Binance account details. Be sure to complete any necessary security verifications, such as two-factor authentication, to secure your account. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Binance PC interface. The main dashboard provides a quick overview of your portfolio and market trends. You'll find the spot trading interface for direct cryptocurrency purchases and sales. For more experienced traders, explore the futures and margin trading sections. Remember to regularly check your wallet to manage your asset balances, deposits, and withdrawals efficiently. Now, let's dive into executing trades. First, select your desired trading pair, for example, Bitcoin versus Tether, from the extensive market list. Binance offers various order types, including market orders for instant execution, limit orders for specific prices, and stop limit orders for risk management. Carefully input the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to trade. Always double-check all your order details before confirming to ensure accuracy. Maintaining strong security is paramount when using Binance. Always ensure two-factor authentication is enabled for an extra layer of protection. Periodically review your login history and authorized devices to detect any unusual activity. Be aware of your account's withdrawal limits, which vary based on your verification level. Finally, keep both your PC's operating system and the Binance application updated to benefit from the latest security patches and features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.